installation's working great. We've got the application working. We've got their phones are hooked up, switches are in. I think we're done. I think we're gonna roll this up and saddle it up and head back to Texas. But we'll see you on the next. Hi there, I'm John with John Shutters in Aramco. Join me this morning as we're in historic Hackberry, Louisiana, installing some electric roll-ups for our customer, Mr. H. As you can see, the shutters have been pre-wired by a local master electrician. Everything's done up. We've got one of the shutters installed on the wall over there that you can see. But join me today as we perform this wonderful installation, and I'll show you how to get it done. Hey there, we're back on the H installation, and over my shoulder you can see Justin. He's putting the finishing touches on the last remaining shutter. Look, job's going great. Let's go get some extra looks, come on. Ooh, what do we got here? Electric roll-up, manual override. Keypad installed, nice. Look here, looks like the guys are finishing it off great. Look here in the back, we've got some real big shutters. Look at them gleaming, glistening, loving it. Everything's looking amazing. Wow, looking great. We want to show you a little something different here. What we're going to show you how to operate your hurricane shutters with your smartphone, right? Everybody's into smartphones and the tech, right? Here we go. Boom, just like that. Wait, you want to stop it, you say? Oops, nice. Let's go ahead and take that the rest of the way up. Let's move into the door. And while we're in it, let's go ahead and run that other one the rest of the way up. You have now controlled your hurricane shutters with a smartphone. Closing it out. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks again. Don't forget, John Shutters in Aramco, a name you can trust.